All right, all right. Fun with fire. Megabanger. There it is. A fiery skull. Doing sunflower. Warning, spins upward, emits shower of sparks. There you are, a whole bunch of them there, huh? 12 pieces. Here's your code, the MBW504. If you need to look it up. Megabanger. They're all there. This is what they look like. I think everybody's seen sunflower before. So, yeah, there it is. Everybody's seen what these guys look like before, so no explanation really. So let's check out Sunflower from Megabanger. Let's check it out. All right, and in a cold, moonlit evening, we're gonna check this out. Let's check these guys out. I can't see anything. There it is. Here it goes. That looked like it was coming right for me. That was pretty cool. All right, let's try another. Come on. There you go. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Pretty fun. Last but not least, let's do another one. I like how they float. That's pretty cool. It's a pretty cool effect, actually. Come on. There it goes. Hard to light. Oh, that one went over there. Pretty cool. Sunflowers. I approve. Pretty cool. Lots of smoke. I like it. I can't pick it up. Pretty cool. Thanks for watching.